today I'll be showing you guys how to create a TradingView account and also edit it, design it to your choice. So basically, a TradingView, this is where we analyze, this is where traders analyze their trades. This is where we get our entries, target, stop loss from. So the app is available for Android and iOS, also for PC, so you can go and download it. Now personally, I use the browser on my laptop. Now let me sign out, so I'll show you what the page looks like. Let me go to the home page. So now when you come to the home page of TradingView, this is what it looks like. So you tap get started. Sign up. Then you sign up. The best way to sign up is by using your email. Don't use any of these options here. Use your email. Once you tap it, you'll see this. So you just follow the normal process. I don't need to waste time in explaining those ones. You just go ahead and create your account. So let me log in so we continue. Now next up, I'm going to be showing you guys how to navigate the TradingView app, how to edit the charts and every other thing to your taste. Alright, yes, this is the face of the app. So if you want to bring out list of pairs, you just tap this. Now this place is called the watch list. So your special pairs, you can add them here. You tap this plus icon, then you look for any pair of your choice, you search for them, then you tap this plus and it will be added to your watch list immediately. So let's go straight up. I tapped here, then I'm coming here to expand the charts. From here, tap expand. Take this back inside. Now we are in the TradingView app. Now I'll show you guys how to set up your TradingView.
Before we proceed, there are 3 things I want us to do. Firstly, I know this video is going to be kind of confusing to some people, so feel free to drop your questions in the comment section or join the community and send them to the community. I'll make sure I answer every single question. And secondly, please do well to like the video so it will get to other people that needs it. And thirdly, subscribe so you don't miss out on the next video.
Now if you come here now, there are different time frames. Here, this place, there are different time frames. Now these right here are my favorite time frames, so you can select any one of them you like. So I prefer using these time frames. If you want to select your favorite time frames, you tap this drop down arrow, then you pick, you just start them. Once you start them, you see them showing here. Let me remove some stuff. Yeah, these are the ones I use. So if you start them, you see them showing here under your favorite. These are the time frames. I already explained what time frame does in the last session, so you can always switch from one time frame to another. We'll get to that. Now another important thing you need to know is the settings. So if you come here now, this setting icon, from here you can edit your charts anyhow you want it. Now let's start from here. Symbol, this is basically the candle. I'm sure you must have seen a lot of people's chart looking different. Now this is how they do it. If you come here, select, so I'm just basically trying to show you guys how, yes, this is it. You see my chart changer. So from here you can edit the body of your candles. Now something else, another thing is the background. From here also you can edit the background. This place you see stated here, background. You choose the kind of background you want, either gradient or solid. Now this is a gradient background. I'm going to be picking two colors. You see, for solid you can pick solid. Here you only get to pick one color. Now you pick, yeah man, it looks crazy. Now you see, this is what my chart looks like. You understand? Now this one here now is watermark. if you notice this pair here on my chart, you can always turn it off and on your chart. You can also pick a color for that also. So you can always turn it on and off. And also the text for the watermark. No, sorry, there's a watermark for the pair. Here, let me show you. Follow my mouse. I edited the text color, I changed it to purple. You can see it here. You can see it here. This is it. These are the most important ones. Now for this place now, these features will be originally added to your chart. You can always come here to remove it. Now if you notice the changes, look at, just put your eyes here to see what I'm doing. You see it's changing. So this is where you can come to edit that. Now for this next one here, this is to expand full screen mode. This is common sense. Once you press escape on your laptop, it goes back to normal. So all these features that I stated here are available on your devices, on your phone, your smartphone, except this full screen. So this camera option now is to save your chart. Once you tap download, it's downloaded immediately. There's also an option there on your phone. You just have to tap share, then you save on your phone. Now the next place I'm going to now is our tools bar. Yeah, the tools bar. Now on your device, on your phone, you can select your favorite tools. Now if you notice this here, these are my favorite tools, if you have noticed. Now to bring them on your PC, first of all how do you select favorite tools on your PC or your phone? If you go under the tools, you notice these stars. So once anyone you tap will be added to the list of your favorite tools. You see it's increasing. So as you are starting them, it's being added to your favorite tools. So in your device, you'll be shown an option to add it to your main screen. But for my PC, this is it. You see this star down here, this blue star. Once I tap off, turn it off, it has disappeared. If you turn it back on, your favorite tools are back here. So now let me go into showing you what these tools do. Sorry, pardon my. So if you come here, this is the cursor. These are the cursor tools. So you choose the type of cursor you like. Personally, I use cross. You have an option for dots, arrow, and eraser. So you can see you can always use any one of your choice. You come here, you navigate your charts. So personally, I use cross. And for these are the lines. So this is trend line too. So for me, I'm just going to show you guys the important ones. As you go on with the class, you are definitely going to be finding out which ones are more important as we move on. So here, this is the trend line. Use it to draw line. So this tool now, you can always edit it. Once you tap on it, you see this option. So you can just tap this setting to go into the main. So from here now you can change the color. From here you can change the color of your line. You can also edit the thickness from here. Come down here, you see different thickness option. So here you can decide to give it arrow mount or normal. Yes. So here you can also put text on it. If you come under here, you decide where you want the text to be, at the top, to the right, left, or even under. You get. So this is it. The text also, you can give it a color. So this is it. Coordinates also, these are not necessary. So you can edit your. This is similar for every other tool here. So now this one is called the Fibonacci retracement tool. So as time goes on, we are going to be understanding what these tools are used for. Yes. So I'm just going to be showing you the important ones now. Now this is the long and short position tool. This particular one is the long position tool. If you find a setup in your chart and you want to buy, this is the tool you use. Now this tool can also be edited. You tap it, tap settings. From here you can always edit the color, give it any color of your choice. From here, yes, this is it. You can edit it, give it any color you want. We also have the short position tool. This is the short position tool. You finish analyzing and you got a short entry, a sell entry. This is it. This is the tool you use. The short position and the long position. They can all be edited. Now we have the brush tool. You can use it to brush. Now From here you can select the thickness. So you just see, this is the brush tool. See what I'm doing on my chart. You can also change the color and also outline. So this is it. The brush tool. Now from here also we have the highlighter tool. So what this tool is very similar to the brush tool though. You can use it to mark points on the charts. You can use it to mark points, important points on your charts. You can also use it to draw something on the charts. It's called the highlighter tool. It can also be edited. You can give it a different color, size and all that. Now we have the arrow marker. As the name implies, it draws an arrow. It can be used to draw an arrow. You see? Now from here also you can edit it. Now what else? We have the rectangle tool. You use it to draw rectangle. So this is what my rectangle looks like. You can edit yours to you can edit yours anyhow you want it. You can always edit it. So my own, I turned off the background, that's why it looks transparent. So you can turn it on, give it a nice color, make it a little bit transparent. I'm too used to this transparent one. The border, you can decide to turn it off. You can just decide to make it completely transparent. Yes, I think this is nice. This is nice. Yes, I'm going back to my default. Let me change it back to the way it was. I like mine transparent. Turn off the background. Give it black. Yes, the way I like it. Okay. Yes, that is it for the rectangle tool. Use it to draw a rectangle on your charts. Now, still under the geometric shape tools, we have the rotated rectangle. You just draw a straight line and expand. You draw a straight line. This is how it works. You draw a straight line from one point to another, then you stretch. That is how it works. Still under here we have the path tool. This tool is also kind of important. Use it to draw map out paths on your charts. Yes, so I'm going to do a map of Nigeria. Use it to map out charts, paths on your charts. So you see, this tool, this is what the tool is used for. It's called the path tool. Make sure you're jotting things down. And also we have the text tool. The text. Surprisingly, the text has a lot other tools under it. So you tap inputs, okay. Anywhere you want to place it there. So you might be needing it in the future. So under the text, there is also one that is important. It's called the callouts. You just want to label a particular point in your chart. You drag it. After drawing it will bring out this option, so you can type in the content inside. What else do we have? I think all these other ones are not important. This is the measure tool. It's used to measure ranges. Now this thing I just drew here, let me just show you. The measure tool is used to measure. Let me delete this one. You tap and drag. Why is it? Now from this, if you come here, you can see the details of these points I just tried to measure. Now from this, you can tell that it is 69 bars. What does it mean? That means the candles highlighted from here to here are 69 in number. And also this time, the time frame from here to here is 15 hours 14 minutes. And also the movement from up here to down here is totally 0.78% move in the market. So there's that. I think those are the important tools. You can see them here. The tools on my favorite tools. So this is it. You can see them. Also, you can also create something like this on your phone or on your laptop. Now all these things I just explained here are also applicable if you are using your device. Now let's come here. Now these are also special features for TradingView. This is alert, this is data window, this here is object tree. Now let me use this object tree so you can see what it does. Now what object tree does, it basically shows you a list, comprehensive list of everything you added to your chart. Now if I tap here, you can see all this. I can select it. As I'm tapping it, it's selecting. As I'm tapping it here, it's selecting on my chart. So from here I can decide to make it invincible on the chart. Sorry, I can decide to hide it on the chart by tapping this eyes. You can see my rectangle and my trend line has disappeared. I can also decide to delete them from here. Yes, all these other ones are not quite important. Now there's something I want to show you guys, something a lot of traders don't know, a lot of people don't know. Now is how to put this watermark. So I'm going to be showing you guys. Now this is actually an indicator, yeah. So if you want to put it, what you do is you come under this, you tap indicators. So here you search for, what you search for is AGFX, sorry, AG space FX. Then you start it. If you can see it, as you can see, it has already been added. So you start it, then you tap it. Once you tap it, it will be added to your chart immediately. So after that, you come here, you can find it here, then you tap the settings. Now once you add it to your chart, this is what it's going to look like. You have something written here and you have something written down here too. These things written here from the charts, these things written here from the indicator I just added. Once you add it, you have something here and here. So you have to edit it by yourself. If you come here, you tap setting, you put the title, it can be your name or any other thing. Then you put the subtitle. So you can always type, you can type anything you want, discipline, blah blah blah, kiniko. You tap it, you add it. You see it has been added to my own. Me, I don't like shalaye, so that's why I didn't add anything. Some people, you see them put in consistency, discipline, profits, this one, that one. Me, don't like shalaye, so. But if you want it, you can always add it. For me, I don't like the one that is under. You can leave it in your own chart. This is applicable for your devices and your laptop. So yeah, I think that is all for setting up your TradingView. Yes.